to the Queen's Court. I am coming to you today. I have a unboxing I won. But y'all, to me, this seems more heavier than what it is. I got this from Candace. She fixed this up so pretty. She had it so beautiful. Well, she know I love purple. Let's say that, okay? She know I love purple. So, welcome to all my faithful returning family members. I appreciate each and every one of you. Welcome to all my new family members. I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you so much. I have an unboxing of, because I won a giveaway from Candy Poo 1100. Yes, a sweetheart. Thank you, Candace. Her name is Candace, y'all. But Candy Poo, I will leave her information down in the description box below. So, yes, big old box. Okay, here we go. And I also have a I'm so thankful, grateful, and blessed to be alive. How about y'all? I'm doing well. And yeah, so we're gonna open this up. And I want a Louis Vuitton pocketbook, black, and I wanted one. When I seen that up on the screen, I'm like, oh my goodness. Oh my God, I was like, what? I won. And like I said, I also have an unboxing for a cup that I ordered from one of the ladies on my job, and she does her little business. So yeah. Oh, you know I love heels. This is so cute. Thanks, Queen, for being so supportive of both of my channels. She does have 2 channels, y'all. Love Candy Poo. Many blessings. So sweet. Thank you, Candy Poo. Oh, I love this. Oh my God, that is so beautiful. Thank you, sweetheart. I look at both of her channels because she's such a beautiful person. Young lady that loves the Lord. Okay. Oh, yes. Oh, I can't wait to carry this. It came in the Louis Vuitton. Take that down here. Came in the Louis Vuitton case. Oh my goodness. Looky. In the bag, you know. That's the bag. Y'all, look at this. This is so nice. It's so soft and it feels so good. This is the stuff that was down in it, you know, to keep the bag in shape. I have this here that I can put on there. Oh my God, when I seen my name, I was like, Lord, I want me a black Louis Vuitton. Look at God. God is so good, y'all. He is so good. I love him. He give you the desires of your heart. Okay. This right here goes with it. Oh, this is so beautiful. I absolutely love this. Oh my goodness. Oh. I can't wait to carry it. I will be carrying it to church. It's big inside. Look at that. It's so big inside. Yep. And this right here comes off. Let's take this off. I absolutely love this. Oh my goodness. and this here goes very well with the strap. The strap in this is the same color, but this is so gorgeous. And it has like a pockets on the inside here. It has a zipper pocket in here. Oh my god. God, it just, and it clamps together like this. Had to take this off. It clamps together. Oh, so beautiful. Oh my god, I love it. Oh gosh, I'm so excited. Clamps. Y'all, look at this. This is so beautiful. We got the pockets on the inside. I thought that was another pocket, but look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It's soft, y'all. You can tell real weather. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And you put these on here. I'm gonna put mine on here right now. Put it on here like that. Wait a minute. But I'm going to just put one on. But look, this is so nice. I absolutely love this bag already. So nice. Pleat it down like that there, okay? Pleat it down like that. Carry that underneath there. We got the feet. I can take the stuff off of that when I get ready to carry it. But this is beautiful. Candace, thank you so much. We got the bag. She sent me the bag. You know, I wanted to give it away as a gift, or I could just put it, you know, in here. Put it in this bag and put it in here. It would be even greater. But these right here are really nice, though, to keep your bags in shape. So that'll work out real well. Thank you, Candace. I will leave her information to both of her channels down below. Please go and check her out and tell her that Andrea Mason, the Queen's Court, sent you. Okay? Now, that was what I won for a giveaway. This here is what I had made for me. And she does beautiful work, y'all. I mean, absolutely beautiful work. I will also leave her Instagram link down below in the description box, and you can get with her and see how much she charged. But she does a great job, y'all. This here, okay, this here is the straw. Okay, it's a look at this, y'all. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh, I had her to custom make this for me. Andrea Mason. Andrea Mason. The Queen's Court, y'all. Look at that fabulousness right there. And I got the little crown made right there. TQC. Andrea Mason. I absolutely love this, y'all. Look how beautiful it is. I wanted it in gold and purple. I love this so much. Look at the crystals in that, y'all. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. When I tell you she do great work, she do great work, and it's not that expensive. And you can, it's like this metal on the inside. Okay. This is a care card for it, okay? This is the care card. It says, not dishwasher safe, clean by hand with soap and cool water. Scrub brush inside only. Do not microwave. Handle with care. Bling It by Kendra. Okay, and I will leave her information down below. I will leave her information down below. And it is Glitter Bling _ by Kendra. Alright, so like I said, you can put hot stuff in here, cold stuff. You got your straw. You can, you know, drink your hot stuff in here. But it has a straw that comes with it. I'll be drinking cold stuff out of here. I know that. Just water. That's what I drink. But that's what I'll be drinking out of this. Is water. But this here is absolutely gorgeous. The Queen's Court. Yes, yes, yes. Andrea Mason. Isn't that gorgeous, y'all? And she hand makes these. I mean, she did such a beautiful job. When I seen it, it was like magic. I was so happy. So happy to see the finished, you know, the finished product. I designed what I wanted, told her what I wanted, and how I wanted it, and she did it for me, and I'm so thankful for that. This is absolutely gorgeous. She was my supervisor. But like I said, I got transferred to another department because they needed someone down there. And yeah. So, but yes. Oh my God. I love this bag. I am just so blessed. I am so thankful and grateful to have won this. You know, I never won anything off of YouTube. And this is... Oh! I'm in love with it. Oh my God, I can't wait to carry it. My first real Louis Vuitton, or you know, whatever. I've never had it this good. Oh, I just love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I love it. All right, so I am the host of this channel. Kind of late for that, right? I am the host of this channel. I do DIYs, I do decorating, I do tablescapes, I do bar carts, I decorate my home. Okay, I love to decorate. The thing is, not having the time to do it so much now, but anyway, I love it. And I also do coffee bars, you know, every season, you know, I do a coffee bar. And yes, and the tablescapes I love, you know, and I love the Dollar Tree hauls and thrifting. Y'all know I love it all. So that's why I don't have a niche. I do everything. Okay, so my niche is everything. This is I'm gonna start vlogging some, y'all. You know, I'm gonna start vlogging, like, you know, my day, what I do in a day or something like that there, or some get ready with me videos. I will be doing some of those. Just gonna change up things a little bit, incorporate some other things. Okay, so, and two, if you know, anybody that wants to, you know, send me things, you know, and I can, you know, tell people or show people your product and stuff like that there, I'm open for that. Okay, so you can email me and I'll be glad to show your product. You know, I'll test it out and, you know, tell people about your product, your business. You know, trying to get your business started. I ain't got a whole lot of subscribers, but the ones I got, you know what I'm saying, that'll be 200 or something people that is looking at your product and to get your product out there. Okay, so I just want to say thank you again, Candy Poo. I will leave all her information in the description box. I will leave Kendra's information in the description box as well. Please go over and order you a beautiful cup. She can do it for you. Tell her what you want and she can send it to you, whatever. Okay, so please go and check Kendra's channel out. She has different things, you know, her Instagram, and she can show you, you know, what the colors that she used and stuff like that there. Beautiful person, you know. Please go and check her out. So remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you until I see you on the next video. Bye bye, kings and queens. Love you all. Bye bye.